Hi, it's Golden Jello Fries coming to you guys today with a unboxing video. So I just received this big box from Influenster. They sent me some goodies to share with you guys, and I will be sharing how you can receive free products as a small content creator. And with that being said, let's get into it. So I'm not gonna ramble too much. I'm gonna talk about the other details later in the video about how to receive one of these, but yeah, I'm just gonna get straight to the point. So they sent me a lot of goodies, and when you receive a Vox box, that's what they call their PR boxes, Vox boxes. They send you a card to, like, the card comes inside the box and it gives a description of each product. So for starters, they sent me the Madam CJ Walker Inches Protein Treatment, and that's this right here. It retails for $26, and this is the full size. They do send full size samples. Sometimes if it's like stuff like serums, they will like have it in packets, but for the most part they send like the full size of the product, which is pretty dope. And then they also sent me a sample of their hair mask, the Madam CJ Walker Dream Come True hair mask. This retails for $28, so it's not cheap. I do look forward to trying these because I've never tried any of their products from this line from Madam CJ Walker. So this is the Reconstructing Moisture Protein Treatment made with azalea. Sounds pretty dope. On to the next product. So this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, and this retails for $49. You can pick this up at Sephora. So this vitamin C serum has also AHA serum with soothing pineapple juice and hyaluronic acid to brighten and even the skin tone. So if you do have dark marks and hyperpigmentation, I would recommend trying some vitamin C serums because they do help even out the skin tone. And when you do use a vitamin C serum, you have to use some sunscreen to protect your skin because vitamin C is very potent and very sensitive to sunlight. So yeah, like it loses its effectiveness when it's exposed to sunlight. But yeah, let's get into the packaging. I love the box. Like, this is cute. See how it looks. And the bottle is so adorable. It's the shape of a pineapple. Okay. I look like a official YouTuber doing this. You know how all the YouTubers, they do unboxing videos and then they have their hand up like this? So yeah. So I tried this last night and it was just so hydrating. I was afraid it was gonna irritate my skin because my skin is just so bougie, like it's picky with products. Sometimes products may work well, or like it can make my skin react in a bad way. It can make my face break out because I have very sensitive dry skin. And another thing is, this is great for a dry skin. It's very hydrating. It's not sticky at all. Like with most serums, they tend to be sticky, and that's why I was really impressed with this serum in particular because it's not sticky or tacky, doesn't feel gross on the face, and it's actually really hydrating to the point where I feel like you could wear this alone, you know, actually like at night, not like outside because this is vitamin C serum, but if you're going to bed, just put this on your face and just go to sleep. There's a lot of product in here. I believe it's 30 milliliters. This is actually more than the Lancome vitamin C serum. Theirs is tacky. It's effective, but it's tacky, and then there's a little bit of product. Like, I'm gonna go get the bottle to show you guys to compare between the two. This is the Lancome vitamin C serum. This one retails for $65. They sent me this one in the last box. And this is the Glow Recipe serum, the vitamin C serum from them. You see the comparison in size? This is $65 and then this is $49, and you get way more product in here than in this one. So yeah, and I also like the packaging. At first I thought it was gonna be kind of like cheap, but it's actually like pretty sturdy. So the next product I received are these Beauty Blender Opal Essence Primers. This retails for $32. You can pick it up at Sephora, it's available there. And this is the packaging of the box. They sent me 3 other primers, their other primers, like samples of those. And this is the box. And this is really cute. I like the packaging. Like when I get new products, I always look for the packaging. I love packaging when the packaging is so on point. So yeah, this is the product. And this is how it looks when you open it up. So it's like a tube. Just gonna put some primer on the back of my hand. Tell you guys about the texture. So my first impression is that it's very... It doesn't have like a scent or anything. It actually smells like soap. But it feels just so refreshing. I don't know, like there's like a wind on my hand. But it just feels so soothing. And yeah, this was made in Korea. Like that's the thing with these Korean cosmetic lines. They make like the best cosmetics, hands down. Like they make cosmetics that are actually good for your skin, like makeup wise, like primers and stuff. They don't make stuff that just irritates your skin. And that's why they have like bomb skin Asians. So yeah, it's really nice. And I think this is great for someone with dry skin because it advertises that's for like radiance and moisture and hydration. So that's why it felt so like soothing on the back of my hand. And the other primers I received are the Beauty Blender Shield, Selfie Shield. It's SPF 38. So I think next time I go to Sephora, I will look into trying it. Because I've been looking for a new sunscreen, and then I also received the Smooth and Fill Lycée Comble primer. But this is for like light to medium, and then they have the same thing available in tan to deep. So they have primers that are like for deeper skin tones and then people who are on the fair side. So the next product is this Venus and Vera Bradley Extra Smooth Razor. This retails for $12.99, and then they sent me the shaving gel. It smells bomb, by the way. So like these two go together. And I've never used those razors with interchangeable blades. Like I just use those disposable ones. And this is a pretty nice razor, by the way, that will probably last for a while. So yeah, I'm gonna try that. Okay, so on to the juicy part about how to receive boxes like this with goodies inside. So this is a company called Influenster that I work with. They send me these products about every 3 months. So like when you do sign up, you're not going to be receiving products like all the time. It's like pretty much periodically. It's not going to be like every month. So it's going to be like every 3 months. And when you first sign up, you sign up through their app or on their website. And they basically give you this questionnaire, like a survey about your interests, like whether you're interested in cosmetics, skincare, food, etc. So some people receive snacks that are coming out. Like usually they send products that are like about to be released before they are released into the store. Like sometimes they send us the products first to review it, and the companies want to see what we think. Like they want to know our feedback. So when you sign up with Influencer, you go on their website, you take the survey, and I remember, I believe it only took them like a week for them to send me stuff. It didn't really take me that long. Also, I think it's because I have a high impact score because my Instagram is popping. So when you do sign up, I recommend adding all your social medias. Like when they see that like the impact score is higher, you are more likely to be chosen because they're looking for people with a popping social media to review and get these products out there and get the word out to people. So yeah, that's all I have to say. I think I will leave the link to their website if you guys are interested in signing up to see if you can receive some free products. And it's totally free. You don't even have to pay for shipping or anything. It's like free, 100% free. Like, that's what I love about them. Like, there's no catch or anything. You just receive bomb products. So thank you, Influencer. I'm so thankful, by the way, because this is the 6th time I've been chosen. Like, I always get chosen time and time again, and they are very selective with who they choose. So I'm just so thankful. So another thing I forgot to mention is when you are sent the product, you have to review them. You can't just be collecting products for free. Like, no ma'am, no sir. You have to do the activities in that app, or else they will kick you out of the membership. Like, they're not stupid. Like, they're looking for people who are willing to promote products for them. So yeah, like, and you earn badges. The more badges you have, the more likely you are to be chosen for the next VoxBox. And I feel like what they're doing is pretty dope, because they're really helping us small content creators by sending us products so we can even create bomb content like this and show you guys the new products that are out right now. And I love their packaging, by the way. Just so bomb. And with that being said, stay tuned for my Fenty Beauty, the body lava review. I'm gonna film that next. Yeah, I have a lot of filming to do today. And with that being said, bye.